today we're going to be making off-brand hot pocket. Let's start. I'm using beef, but if you want chicken or lamb, that's fine too. Whatever floats your boat. So I'm going to be cutting them up in small tiny cubes, and then I'm going to be cutting about 8 or 9 green onions. Make sure that they're evenly cut so when we cook it, it's going to be evenly cooked through. My fingers are way too close to the knife. Well, at least that's what people usually say. But this is how I grew up, just being very close to the knife. And over here I'm using 3 Roma tomatoes. That was the cheapest one that I could find in the market. For the spices, I'm using 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And mix them up. And now it's time for our dough. I prepared a simple dough made out of water, salt, and flour. If you prefer a video, I can make a video. Just comment below. There's a lot of YouTube channels that they do have it, so if you want to check them out, it's totally fine too. I'm cutting them up to make it easier for myself to work with the dough, and we're going to be making them in a golf-size balls. I got about 15 dough balls, and now one at a time I'm going to be rolling them out. So roll out your doughs to 10 to 12 inches in diameter. Here I'm trying to recreate what my mom used to do. She just rolls the dough, and as she rolls it out, it just turns. I don't know how well I did, but it turned out pretty alright. Finally, we're done with this. So now it's time to fill them up, and I'm using 2 tablespoons of our filling, and make sure that it's evenly spread out, and then we're gonna be closing it, ensuring there is no air pockets, and then with a fancy cutter, we're gonna be trimming the edges. It looks pretty neat, don't you think? So in a big skillet, put 2 cups of oil and make sure that it's nice and hot. And then we're going to be dropping our off-brand hot pocket. Once the one side is golden brown, flip it over and cook the other side. And once you flipped over, drop another one to the empty side of the pan. Repeat the process until you're all done with all your off-brand hot pockets. The reason that I'm calling them off-brand hot pocket is because actually I don't quite know the name or the original name of this food. It's just a creation that my mom made. I'm pretty sure in Russia they call a cuisine that's similar to this chiburishki. And in Central Asia, particularly in Afghanistan, they have something called bulani that is very similar to this. It's made out of Afghani chives, and it's vegetarian, so that's a good thing. But I could not find Afghani chives in here in Pittsburgh, so someday when I visit California, I know that they do have it in California, so I will be making it. I advise you to turn the volume down. From now on, it gets very loud.
It's so juicy. That tomato is working. If you're a vegetarian, actually you can omit the meat and just have green onion with tomatoes. It's still gonna be good. It almost tastes like meat pie / calzone It's that good. Please comment below and let me know what country you're from and what kind of food should I prepare next time. All the ingredients that I used today will be listed in the bottom. Until next time, you guys take care. Bye bye.